Welcome back. Before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe. And once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we'll start doing giveaways for y'all. Now, let's get into the video. So today we're going to be talking about the Google Pixel. You might be wondering, why are we going to be talking about the Google Pixel when there's much better phones out? Well, we're going to be talking about the Google Pixel today because Google is going to be either revealing or announcing a new phone called Google Pixel 4a, which is probably going to come out later this year. So the Google Pixel, the display is 5 inches. The processor is a Snapdragon 821. The front camera is an 8 megapixel. The rear camera is 12 megapixel. RAM 4 gigs. Storage 32 gigs. The battery capacity 2,770 milliamps. And the operating system Android 7.1. So the brand that makes the phone is Google. The model is Pixel. The release date was October 2016. The dimensions, the weight is 143 grams, which is not that heavy. Removable battery, and there's no removable battery. The colors is black, silver. Screen size is 5, like I said before. Touchscreen has a touchscreen. The resolution is 1080 by 1920. And the processor is 1.6 gigahertz quad core. The internal storage is 32. Expandable storage, you can't get no expandable storage. The rear flash is a dual LED. The front camera and the back camera is below 20 megapixels. And the connectivity, you can connect to Wi-Fi as a GPS. There's no infrared. There is a headphone jack. The number of SIMs that you can get is 1. And the sensors, you can have a compass. You can have a proximity mine, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, barometer, and a temperature sensor. Google Pixel, I think Google Pixel made plenty of phones, but to be honest, the big contenders is like Huawei, Samsung, Apple. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers. See ya.